I would also like to thank both my very dear brothers for supporting the just cause of Jammu and Kashmir, where the valley of that beautiful mountainous area, Kashmir, is red with the blood of Kashmiri freedom fighters. Going back over decades, they have struggled, they have fought against tyranny, against brutality, and yet they are as firm as ever. They have not given it up, and they shall never give it up till they get their basic right of freedom enshrined under the Articles of United Nations and enshrined in the clauses of Security Council. Pakistan has stood by the cause of Kashmiris in an unwavering manner. So has Turkey, and so has Azerbaijan. Inshallah, a day will dawn, one day soon, when the people of Kashmir will have their right of freedom and get out of the clutches of slavery.